Hey there, how's it going? Let's talk about suspended animation today. A few forms of suspended animation present in nature are hibernation, torpor, and diapause. According to a recent scientific paper titled Vertebrate Diapause Preserves Organisms Long-Term Through Polycomb Complex Members, diapause is a state of suspended development that helps organisms survive extreme environments. I will have a link to this paper in the description of this video. Everything I say in this video will be based on this paper and a wonderful article titled How African Turquoise Killfish Press the Pause Button on Aging. The article is from Science News. I will have the link to this article in the description of this video as well. With that out of the way, let's begin. Scientists who authored this particular paper included the study on the African killfish. The natural habitats of these fishes are in ponds that exist only during the rainy season and dry up almost completely during the dry season. To survive this completely impossible situation, the African killfish embryo enter diapause, i.e. a state of suspended animation. Essentially, its physiological development is greatly delayed and can be considered a state of dormancy. Researchers found that diapause in the embryo stage did not adversely affect growth and development later in the adult stage. A really cool thing is diapause can sometimes last up to 2 years, and that puts this period of embryonic diapause longer than the actual adult life of the killfish. Diapause is a common occurrence in the life stages of insects, and embryonic diapause can be seen in many egg-laying fish species. During diapause, we observe a greatly reduced metabolism in the organism, and the maintenance of this state is dependent on the regulation of the expression of certain genes. Cycling back to the paper I referenced in the beginning, researchers found that genes responsible for cell proliferation and organ development were greatly downregulated during diapause. However, there were certain genes which were upregulated during this stage. More specifically, the genes that control muscle development and function. Researchers found that a gene called CBX7 is important for muscle preservation and maintenance in killfish embryos. According to the researchers, CBX7 may maintain muscles by directly and indirectly regulating the specific genes involved in muscle function and metabolism. If you want to read more about this topic, I highly encourage you to read the paper and also the article. Both are wonderfully written and was greatly helpful in conducting research for this video. Again, I will have links to both of those articles, both the article and the research paper in the description of this video. And thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content in general, do consider subscribing. It acts as a big encouragement. I'm constantly trying to improve my content, and in that regard, if you have suggestions, please do let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay happy.